Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing homemade squishy update number 49. So let's just get started. So first of all I'm going to show you the squishies that I made for Valentine's Day. So first I made these two heart churro squishies. So first I have this one, which is a chocolate churro, and it has pink icing with red hearts. And it's in this pink cardboard cone, and it says I love you on the front. And it also has powdered sugar on it as well. And then I have just this regular churro, and this one is dipped in pink icing with a white drizzle, and then it has these 3 flower beads on top. And then it has this white cardboard cone that says hugs and kisses. And I think these are both really realistic looking. I'm really proud of these. And they're both really squishy as well. And these beads are not squishy, they're made of plastic. Whoops. And this one also has powdered sugar all over it, but it's quite faded. So there's those two, and by the way, this one is for sale on my squishy shop, and my shop is linked in the description box below as always. And next I made these 3 heart lollipop squishies that I have a tutorial on, and also I have a tutorial on these two as well, almost forgot to mention that. So yeah, anyways, I have these heart lollipops, which I also have a tutorial on. And you can also take off the packaging as well, but I'm not going to, since it's just going to be way too loud. So this one is light pink, and it has a red lolly stick. And then I have this one, which is a darker pink, and it also has a red lolly stick. Or popsicle stick, whatever you call it. And these are also very squishy as well. And then I also have this red one, which just has a plain wooden lolly stick. This one's my favourite. So there's those 3. And also these 2 are for sale on my squishy shop. So again, if you're interested, please check out my shop. So now moving on to the squishies that I made for Easter. So next I made this Peeps Bunny squishy that's inspired by the Peeps marshmallows, of course. And this is also a mirror on the inside. And I also have a tutorial on this one. And as you can see, I just attached the two pieces together just using a piece of felt. I think this is really cute. So it's quite dirty on this side. And this is a little bit slow rising. Then next I made all of these really cute little Easter ornaments, and I do also have a video of me making these. It's not a tutorial, I just show you basically me making them. So anyways, I have these two chick squishies. And then I have these two bunny squishies, and I also made a third one as well, but I gave that one to a friend. And these ones are probably my favourites, or it might be the chicks, I still can't really decide. These are all really soft. And then lastly I have these two egg squishies, and this one still reminds me of a Christmas tree just because of the colours I used for it. And lastly, this one. And now moving on to just some random squishies. So next I have these two cakes, and these are meant to be minimalist cakes, and I think these were popular on TikTok for a while. I don't know if they still are, but anyways. So first I have this galaxy design one, and it says I love you on the front, and these are both made out of makeup sponges. And I also have a tutorial on these. I think the design on this is really cool. And then I have this one, which is mostly white, and then it has this rainbow design and it says happy birthday on it. This one is my favourite. And I didn't paint the back of either of these. So there's those two. And next I made this capybarison bun inspired by the real squishy, and I also have a tutorial on this. This one's also a little bit dirty. And I think this turned out really good. I really like how the face turned out because I was so scared about messing it up. Usually when it comes to painting faces on squishies, I get really nervous because I'm just always afraid of messing up. And then also made a tag for it. And I just printed out this tag and just glued it onto a piece of cardboard. And just put it on a ball chain. So there's that one. So now moving on to this squishy here, which I never really got round to finishing. So I made this for St. David's Day, and this is inspired by the illustration or design that Google did for St. David's Day. And I also tried to find the name of the artist or the illustrator that did this, and I'll put their name up on the screen. And I just fell in love with the dragon. I just thought it was so cool, so I really wanted to try and turn it into a squishy. And it's just painted on this piece of foam. But I never got round to finishing it just because I wasn't feeling so well the day that I made it, so I just never got round to finishing it. But I still think the dragon on it came out pretty good. And then it says Google on the sides. And then St. David's Day 2021 on the top. And then the rest is just plain foam. So yeah, this one isn't probably as interesting, but still I quite like how the dragon turned out. And now moving on to the biggest squishy that I have in this update, and I've already done a more detailed video on this, but anyways, it is this Lady Gaga inspired Chromatica Oreo, jumbo sized. And I absolutely love this one. And then it has green filling. Yeah, this is definitely my most favourite one out of this entire update. And I will still be doing a tutorial on this very soon once I get more paint. Because since this is so big, I ended up using all of my pink puffy paint for this. Or pretty much most of it, so I definitely need to get more. I really like how the designs came out on both sides. And lastly, I have these two squishies here, which are actually made following tutorials from this book. And this is a series that I've just recently started doing, where I just follow squishy tutorials from this book. And it is by Tessa Sillers Powell. Again, sorry if I'm saying that wrong. But yeah, this book, again, I've been through it before. It just has all of these different squishy tutorials, and also tutorials on how to make different types of slime as well. And also putty. So this is a really fun book. So anyways, the first squishy that I made from this book is the robot. I really like the details on this. And I think it is really cute in some way. And you can kind of see the original squishy on the cover. And also made a tag for it as well. And then I made this paper squishy, which is the only paper squishy I've made in this update. And it is this narwhal. And also tried to find the original one in the book as well. Here it is. So both of these were made following tutorials from this book. And I also have a video on both of these, so if you're interested, please check those out, because there's also going to be more videos like this coming soon. And also I give credit to the author as well, because, well, I assume she also made the squishies in this book as well. I think this one is really cute. Not very squishy, but anyways, still getting better at making paper squishies. And I also made a tag for this one as well. I also really like the pinkish purpley colour. I think it's really pretty. And yeah, that's it. So that was Homemade Squishy update number 49. I really hope you enjoyed watching. And again, these 3 squishies here are for sale on my Etsy shop. So if you're interested, please go and check it out. Again, it is linked at the top of the description box, like always. And it's been quite a while since I've had any sales on my Etsy shop, so I really would appreciate it if you go and check it out. And yeah, I really hope you like all the new squishies that I made. Again, this one here is my favourite out of all of them. So yep, that is it. I really hope you enjoyed, and please stay tuned for some more squishy tutorials coming soon. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!